Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off the laptop and removing external power. This prevents shorts. Once done, take out any removable battery and attach an anti-static wrist strap to ground yourself. Next, flip the Elitebook and remove the visible bottom screws with a Phillips driver. Make sure to keep screws separated by location. Use a plastic spudger to pry the bottom cover gently. You will hear clips releasing. Move deliberately. This first access step exposes the keyboard retention area you'll work on next. Once the bottom cover is off, locate the keyboard retention screws and any small metal brackets. Remove them to free the keyboard. You'll often need to open the laptop lid and press a few spring clips at the top edge to unseat the keyboard. After lifting the top edge a few degrees, look for the flat ribbon cable connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. Flip the small ZIF connector latch outward, then slide the ribbon free. This disconnect fully isolates the keyboard so you can remove it safely. Lift the keyboard out of the chassis, checking for any remaining screws or adhesive tabs so you don't tear the ribbon. When installing a replacement, route the ribbon into the ZIF connector, flip the latch closed, and confirm the cable is straight. Then seat the keyboard into its clips and reinstall retention screws. Once reassembled, boot the laptop and test every key before snapping the bottom cover back on. If keys are unresponsive, power down and reseat the ribbon or inspect the ZIF latch. That single fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.